Hello everybody. It is currently, oh wait, that was a stupid intro. We're gonna try that again. Hey guys, what is up? It's Audrey. Today it is about 7:30 in the morning, and today is the day I leave to go to Hawaii. Let's freaking party, shall we? Ew, I look like an actual man right now. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so here's the outfit of the day. We got the sweatpants from Brandy. We got this shirt from H&M. This black bralette is from Rue 21, I think. So, I don't know, it kind of looks weird because the straps aren't lining up like how I thought they would, but we're going on an airplane, so I don't really care. And my hair is in... French braid in the back, just so it's out of the way and I don't have to worry about it. Yes, I did get a spray tan. It's like kind of crazy. So, oh, I have my shoes on yet. Oh my gosh, I did paint my nails. Oh my gosh, they look terrible. Okay, oops. Yeah, we're just gonna go finish up some packing and kind of get like maybe a little bit of breakfast. I don't like eating a whole bunch before I go to the airport, if that makes sense. Look, we got upgraded to first class. Amazing. We love that. We made it on the plane, sitting in first class, so there's nobody in front of us, which is nice. Yeah, we're excited. We have a 3-hour layover in LA, and then we'll be going on another flight to Hawaii. So, and look, we even have little blankets and pillows. So nice. Okay, it's really loud right now. The announcements go on for forever. Jeez, what is she even saying? I can't even understand her. Is she speaking in a different language? Okay, well, I don't know when the announcements are gonna end, but... Oh wait, there we go. Well, we just landed in LA. And we have a 3-hour layover while we're in LA, so we're gonna get some food. So we're gonna decide what we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna get back on the plane. And it's, how long is the flight? 11 hours? How long is it to Hawaii? It's only 5 hours? Oh, well, I was prepared for a way longer flight, so now that's nice, knowing it's only 5 hours. That's gonna make it feel a lot less long. I hope you can even hear anything, because it's really loud in here, I feel like. So we ended up going to Earth Bar. I've never been there before, but I got nice acai bowl. And then we also got one of these one of those cold and sinus shot things. I've never had one of these either. And I don't, it's probably gonna taste awful, but oh well. Ew, smell it. It smells so gross. I'm afraid. Oh.
You're gonna have to just go with
Stick your tongue in it. That is so sour.
Oh, fuck!
That is so disgusting. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my acai bowl. And I don't know, maybe edit. We'll see. Okay, so it's now 2:45. We are at our gate. They're supposed to start boarding at 2:50. I was gonna edit while I waited, but I didn't. So, I'm gonna do that on the plane probably, because I slept on the plane ride here. Like, I slept through the whole thing. So, on this plane ride, I'll probably be awake and editing. So, yeah, I'll update you guys when we get there. I think we're gonna go get up and wait in line now because we're gonna leave. And also, I put on a sweatshirt because I got really cold, so yep. So excited! Yay! Okay, I almost just put my seatbelt on like if I were in a car. We're on the plane. So far, no one's sitting next to me yet. I'm at the window seat, but there's literally no window. That sucks, but yeah, so I just was updating you guys before someone sits next to me. Probably just gonna edit the whole time, and yeah, it's gonna be a great time. I'll update you guys when we land. Hopefully it doesn't feel like forever. We made it. We're here. Welcome to Maui. Finally. It's literally so humid. All my pores are opening. I feel rejuvenated. Wow, the sun is really bright. Now we are going to get our rental car and then we're gonna go to Walmart, I think, and then we're gonna go to the hotel. So it's gonna be a good time. Oh, there's hair in my mouth. The whole time on the flight, there was this guy in front of me who like dropped his pillow in the back. Like he was sitting in front of me, and I kept like trying to shove it back through the seat and give it back to him, and he wouldn't take it back. And I was like, the whole time, I was like, take your pillow back. Like, I don't want it. So then I ended up with 2 pillows the whole time, and I genuinely didn't really like it that much. So we landed a bit earlier than we thought we would, which was nice. And now we got our rental car and we're going to Target to get food and stuff because our resort isn't all inclusive, so we don't want to pay for expensive meals every single day. So we're just gonna go there and then go to the hotel. Oh my gosh, do you see the little birds in the road? They're running away. What the heck? There's so many of them. Okay, well, yep, that's the plan. Super humid here. My hair is literally disgusting looking, but if anyone else has been to Hawaii or like flown into Maui at the Kahului, is that what that says? Kahului Airport, and has used the bathrooms, aren't they so weird? Like, you get your own little room for your bathroom, like, and it's like a nice wooden door. Like, it was so weird. I'm not used to that. Well, I didn't think it'd be that different because this is still the United States. We're gonna go get some stuff from Target, and it's about 6 o'clock at night, so I don't know how much we're gonna do because where I came from, it's like 10 right now because Hawaii's 4 hours behind. So I'm probably gonna get really tired really fast. So I don't know. Maybe we'll just go to the pool or something. And my cousins, Ashley and Abby, I don't think you guys have met Ashley and Abby yet, but they don't get here until like, their flight didn't take off until 6. Their flight to Hawaii took off at 6, so I don't know. Oh my gosh. What a weird car. It's like hitting the ground. It was like hitting the ground. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, are we going to Walmart?
Oh, this is not the street.
Yeah, it is.
Dairy. It says
No.
Pakula Street, and this is Dairy Road.
Well, there's a Walmart right there.
Oh, Pakula Street. Okay.
Are we going to Target? Or Walmart? Because the Walmart's right there.
That's, well, I nabbed us to Walmart. So.
Oh, I lied to you guys. We're actually going to Walmart. It's weird going on a vacation somewhere and still being able to go to Walmart. I don't know.
Is ruling the world.
My coworker told me that there were just wild chickens running around, and I didn't believe her. Hi, chicken. He's kind of a pretty chicken. Oh, so it's a girl?
Rooster is a boy.
Oh.
Oh, look.
Pretty chicken. Is there more?
There's some females.
Oh my gosh, there's more chickens. I don't know why I'm so intrigued by these chickens. I feel feel dumb and uncultured.
Well, I guess if you need to grab a bite to eat and you're a little hungry.
No. Okay, we're here at Walmart. I'm not going to bring my camera in because you have all seen a Walmart before, but I will update when we're back to the hotel because I think that's when more fun stuff will be happening. So. Oh no. All right. Oh my gosh, dude, we made it. Okay. Gotta pull this in. I don't know how to, oh, there we go. Shoes off. Of course I'm taking the bed by the windows. Cool, there's outlets right there. Let's open this up. You won't be able to see much because it's dark, but, yeah, you can't really see much right now. Little bathroom. Let's say hello. Oh, they have a little coffee machine. That's cool. Whew. Okay, guys. First of all, our room is freaking far away from where the car is, so getting all this to the room was kind of a struggle, but now I think I'm going to unpack some of my clothes and put them in the drawers or like try to hang them up so they can get like unwrinkly because I feel like they're going to be a little bit wrinkly, so that's what I'm going to do. It's dark outside, so there's not really much we can do right now, and I honestly, I don't know, might go to bed early tonight so I can like wake up on time tomorrow since the time change is weird. I'm gonna try to upload a video right now, but I don't know if I'll be able to because the Wi-Fi probably just isn't the best here, but yeah, that's the plan, and I'll update you guys right before I go to bed. Yeah.